Hey there, coin enthusiasts and collectors. Welcome back to Osworth Coins channel. Today, we have something special for you. A deep dive into the 1984 Washington quarter dollar coin. We'll explore its history, design, and most importantly, its current value in the numismatic market. So if you're curious about this coin's worth and backstory, stick around. Display any relevant numismatic books or references. The 1984 Washington quarter dollar coin is more than just currency. It's a piece of history. Let's start by delving into its historical context. Display images or videos of 1984 events. News headlines or pop culture. Discuss significant events of 1984. The year 1984 was filled with historical moments, including the Los Angeles Summer Olympics, the release of the Apple Macintosh computer, and so much more. And amidst all of this, the 1984 Washington quarter dollar was minted. Coins of verse and reverse. Discuss the design elements, including George Washington's portrait on the obverse and the eagle on the reverse. Mention specifications like composition, diameter, and weight. The design of this quarter is a classic, featuring our nation's first president, George Washington, on the front and a majestic bald eagle on the back. But what really sets this coin apart is its composition and scarcity. Discuss the mintage numbers of the 1984 Washington quarter dollar. Mention any special mint marks or variations collectors should be aware of. Share interesting facts of the scarcity of this coin. Surprisingly, the 1984 Washington quarter dollar has relatively low mintage numbers, making it a sought-after piece for collectors. But what about its value today? Let's find out. Show price charts and graphs illustrating the coin's value over time. Discuss factors influencing the coin's value, such as condition and rarity. Mention recent auction results, if available. So, what's the 1984 Washington quarter dollar worth today? Well, it depends on various factors like its condition, mint mark, and collector demand. On average, you can expect to pay anywhere from a few dollars for circulated versions to hundreds for circulated versions to hundreds for pristine, uncirculated specimens. Offer tips on how to identify a valuable 1984 Washington quarter dollar. Discuss the importance of coin grading and preservation. Recommend resources for further research. If you're considering adding this coin to your collection, remember to do your research. Consult price guides and possibly seek the advice of a professional numismatist. Collecting coins can be a rewarding hobby, and it's essential to make informed choices. That wraps up our exploration of the 1984 Washington quarter dollar coin, a piece of history with both historical significance and value to collectors. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting, this coin is a fantastic addition to any collection. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel for more coin-related content. Ask viewers to share their own experiences with the 1984 Washington quarter dollar coin in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting coin-related content. Also, share your thoughts and experiences with the 1984 Washington quarter dollar coin in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and happy collecting.